In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change team initials in Baseball 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage the team initials that are displayed. So, to change this, instead of going over to the Customize window, you have to go over to Team. On Team Management, you will have Info, Emblem, Uniform, and Stadium. So if you go over to Uniform, you will find the initial option at the bottom left here. So all that you have to do is tap on this little pencil icon, and now you will be able to enter the initial here. So you can enter anything that you'd like. I'm just going to type a random letter here as an example, and you will be able to have it set up. So it is extremely simple to do. You can type them here. So you will need to enter 2 letters from A to Z, and the changes will be displayed immediately. So you can clearly see them there. It is super easy to do, and you will find the option available under Uniform. It is going to be reflected immediately, and you can see how it is going to look on different color sets and different uniforms. Super simple, and just go over to the Uniform category, and you will be able to customize it here. You can also change the color about specific parts of the outfit, but this isn't going to be applied everywhere. It seems like you can only change it on the cap and not on the jerseys or something like that. So, with all of that said, you will be able to customize the team initials that you see here when you go over to Uniform. If you want to customize other information about your team, you can also go here and change the full team name. So go to Team Management Info, change it there. And if you want to customize things about individual players, go to the Customize window. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.